Lag is ruining your gaming sessions. Here's how to fix Wi-Fi lag on consoles. Step 1. Switch to 5 GHz band on your router. It's faster and less crowded than 2.4 GHz. Step 2. Move your console closer to the router or use Wi-Fi 6 or 6E router for better stability. Step 3. Reduce network congestion. Pause downloads, stop streaming, and make gaming the priority device in your router settings. Step 4. Update your console and router firmware. Old software often cause random lag spikes. Step 5. If Wi-Fi still struggles, use an Ethernet adapter or power line adapter for a more stable connection. With these fixes, you'll cut Wi-Fi lag and enjoy smoother gaming. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And good luck with your gaming journey.